We are going to start by making the magic ring. If following, I make one single crochet and a chain to simulate the first double crochet. You can start with 3 chains. Inside the magic ring, work one more double crochet. I make 1 chain. Now let's proceed, making 2 double crochet, separated by 1 chain, 9 times in total. So I make the 2 double crochet. 1 separation current. And again, works 1 group of 2 double crochet. Let's go on like this until we have 9 groups, separated by 1 chain. When finishing all 9 groups, we will make 1 slip stitch on the second double crochet. I will lengthen my thread, cut and finish with tapestry needle. Now I will use another wire color. I hold my wire like this. I tie my needle twice. Pressure my finger against the 2 loops. Introduction to the first space of the current. I look for the wire. Loop shot 2 straps. Holding the leftover wire, I loop and pull the last 2 straps, forming a double crochet. Inside, let's work 2 more double crochet, totaling 3 points. If following, I make a chain. I go to the next space. From the previous row chain, and also I work 3 double crochet here. When finishing the 3 double crochet, I make a chain. I go to the next space, work 3 double crochet, and we're going to do this 4 times in total. in the next space. We go to work, 1 double crochet. So I come to the next space, I do 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 more double crochet in the same space. I make a chain. I go to the next space and work in here. 3 double crochet. I make a chain. I go to the next space. Work 3 double crochet. I make 1 separation chain and repeat this 4 times. I make a chain. Insert the needle into the second double crochet, and I make a slip stick. Lengthen my wire. I cut and finish with the tapestry needle. Now I will use another wire color, and I will insert the needle here in this last space, right in the center of the piece. I look for my wire. I make a chain. Loop in the next space. We will work 2 double crochet. Now here in the same space. I will tie the needle twice. I look for the wire. Loop and shoot twice as many straps 3 times, forming the treble crochet. We are going to work a total of 5 treble crochet. Here inside the same space. Now I will start the 3rd treble crochet. The 4th point, always giving 2 loops, taking it 2 by 2 3 times. And now the 5th treble crochet. So here we made 2 double crochet and 5 treble crochet. Wire loop, I come in the next space. And here we are going to work 4 treble crochet. When we finish the 4 double crochet, tie the thread, I come to the next space. I look for the wire. I loop and pull the 3 straps at once, forming half double crochet. We're going to do 3 half double crochet here in this space. This way. Loop in the next space, we will also do 3 half double crochet. Now inside this central space, we will work 2 double crochet, work one current, and I do 2 more double crochet in here. Now we will repeat it all over again. So here in the next space, we are going to work on 3 half double crochet. In the next space, we will also make 3 half double crochet. In the next space, we will work 4 double crochet. It's getting this way. Now I will tie the needle twice. In the next space, we will work 5 treble crochet. Made the 5 treble crochet. We are going to work here in the same space. 2 treble crochet. Now insert the needle here into the first space and make a slip stitch. A chain and rolls off the thread. Now with another wire color, I will make the sliding knot. I will introduce the needle in this first space. And here I make a single crochet, already securing the wire. Now let's work one sequence. 2 half double crochet for each base point. By 7 times. Then there will be 7 increases in half double crochet. Then I start here at the first point. Here I will work 2 half double crochet. In the next point, I will work 2 half double crochet. This way, until we have 7 increases. If following, let's tie the thread. Introduce into the space of the previous career, along, and we work a double crochet. Tie the thread, insert the needle into the space on the previous row, and make a double crochet. Elongated, stretching that second loop. I introduce the needle. I am looking for thread, length, and double crochet work. There will be 4 points. If following, I will insert the needle here in the half double crochet, and I will work a half double crochet. Now we're going to do a sequence of 8 half double crochet, being 1 point to each point on the base. Now inside this next space, we will work 1/2 double crochet. After 1 double crochet, here in the same space, and 1 more 1/2 double crochet. If following, we will keep working 8 1/2 double crochet. So from here, from this double crochet, we will work 1/2 double crochet for each base point. By 8 times, ready is getting this way. Now here in the next space of the previous career, we're going to do 4 elongated double crochet, just like we did previously. At the end of the 4 double crochet, we are going to make 1 sequence of we will work 2 1/2 double crochet. For each point on the base, by 7 times, to finalize, I will make a slip stitch. Here at the first single crochet, I will lengthen the thread and cast off. And that's the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful application that you can work on in Brazilian colors and also in the traditional colors of the heart. Until the next